I want to go in with a mask the night before Valentine's Day just to pamper myself. This Hydrogen mask by Lancome is created to reduce the visible signs of stress. It's an overnight serum and a mask, and it penetrates quickly and provides intense hydration. Okay, so it is the morning time, so this is going to be a really quick hairstyle that anyone can do for Valentine's Day. I'm going in with my Eco Style olive oil gel, and this is the best gel to hold down 4B or 4C hair. I'm going to take a glob of the gel, put it on a huge section of my hair, detangle with a white tooth comb, and then putting that hair away so that I can do the same to every section. Once the back is done, I can focus on the front. I'm creating a half moon part. And I'm going to follow the same steps that I did before to this section of my hair.
You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
Once everything is brushed in place, I'm going to place my hair in a nice little neat ponytail.
You're the sunshine of my life.
And then I'm going to put a scarf on my head so that my hair can dry while I'm doing my makeup. Alright, so my face is already washed and toned. I'm going in with my Estee Lauder Day Wear Moisturizer. This is for normal or combination skin. This moisturizer feels so good on my skin and it keeps my face moisturized all day. Next, I'm going in with my Becca Backlighting Priming Filter. I really like Becca's primers because even though they're primers, they're very moisturizing and you can wear them on top of your moisturizer and go about your day. So I'm getting ready to do my eyebrows right now. I'm combing them into place. And I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Ebony. If you'd like to see a tutorial on just how I do my eyebrows, thumbs this video up. But basically, I follow the shape of my eyebrow. And then I gently fill them in. Next, I'm going in with my favorite concealers when my eyebrows are wild. Since I'm growing them out, I'm going in with my MAC NC45 underneath and then my NC50 on top to clean up my brows. After I blend in my concealer, I'm going in with my Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream. This is a new foundation that I'm trying, and I'm in the color Sienna. I was very surprised of how thick this foundation is. It's full coverage. I wore it all day, and it felt like I had nothing on my face. I'm going back in with my MAC NC45 concealer to highlight underneath my eyes. And I'm also going to take that on the bridge of my nose and where the light hits my forehead. And after I blend everything in, I'm going to contour my nose, and I like to drag my contour into the crease of my eyes because usually your contour color is the perfect transition color. To bring some warmth back into my face, I'm going in with my bronzing powder by Bobbi Brown. I'm in the color Dark 3. And now for the eyes, I'm taking my Juvia's Place, the Sahara palette, and I'm using the color Sokoto. This is a gorgeous coral red color, and it's very cool, and I think that it's perfect for Valentine's Day. It's such a bold color, and it looks good on any skin tone. I'm dragging this color to the bottom lid. Adding mascara on my bottom lashes.
And those brown eyes, you're the one that I desire.
And now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild liquid eyeliner to give myself a very clean, small wing.
You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're...
Now for highlight, I'm taking the Becca Winters palette and I'm taking blushed copper to highlight.
The movie, and you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part.
To bring everything together, I'm taking my Max Fix Plus. This is the new rose water version, and I'm pretty sure I like this better than the original one. I'm taking my red lip gloss by Lancome. And this is the finished look. If you like this video, thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you'll never miss a video. Bye!